GPT-5 is making waves worldwide. Remember those creepy but realistic deepfake videos? Well, they're becoming even more mind-blowing. Thanks to fancy techniques like Stable Diffusion Controller and Ebsynth Fusion, deepfakes are becoming incredibly accurate. Check out this example shared by a Reddit user. It's so convincing that it's hard to believe it's fake. But as exciting as this progress is, it's also pretty terrifying. Facial reconstruction and deepfakes have always been a bit scary. But now let's talk about something that had a huge impact on the economy. Last week, a computer-generated image of an explosion at the US Pentagon went viral. Many news sources actually thought it was real. Within minutes, the stock market S&P 500 dropped by 30 points, causing a swing in market value worth a staggering $500 billion. But when it was confirmed that the image was fake, the market quickly bounced back. As AI tools become more advanced with the ability to manipulate videos and text, we might witness even more significant impacts. And that's just the beginning. Get ready to be amazed and scared at the same time. Recently, on a popular TV show called 60 Minutes, a super smart hacker showed us how artificial intelligence, AI, can be used to fool people. They actually did it right in front of the show's hosts in real time. It was mind-blowing to see how AI could trick even someone who knows a lot about technology. Unfortunately, I can't share the video because of copyright rules, but trust me, once you see it, you'll understand why we should worry about our privacy and the safety of our current security systems. What's really scary is how quickly the hacker gathered information. Usually, we think only older or retired folks fall for scams, but this time, even a young person who knows a lot about tech got tricked. This means we need to find a new solution soon because these types of scams could become more common. But that's not all. There's this cool device created by a person on Twitter that uses AI to hear and see things. It can understand what people say using something called Whisper, which is a special AI technology, and it can even read words from pictures. And guess what? The whole device was programmed by another AI called GPT-4. And wait, there's more. There's this company called Humane, made up of really smart people who used to work at Apple. They played important roles in making Apple successful. Now they're using AI to create awesome wearable devices. These devices might even replace our phones in the future. I saw a demo of their product in a TED Talk, and it was seriously impressive, although not everyone was as amazed as I was. But I truly believe this technology will keep getting better and better as time goes on. Guess what? There's this awesome company called Blockade Labs that has created a magical tool. It can turn your drawings into amazing 3D worlds. Before, they had a tool where you could type things, but now they've given us even more power to control the final result. You can draw an environment and then change and shape it however you want. It's super creative and exciting because it lets artists and creators bring their visions to life in new ways. And you won't believe what happened next. An influencer actually created an AI girlfriend voice bot and made a mind-blowing $72,000 in just 1 week. People spent over an hour talking to this virtual girlfriend at $1 per minute. They could chat with her because her voice was made using this amazing technology from 11 Labs. It's incredible how this innovation lets us have personal interactions even when there's only one person behind it. Let me tell you about some other cool things that are going on. There's this new technology called Cody that combines different types of media like videos, images, audio, and text. It's like mixing and matching these things in all sorts of creative ways, and it's really impressive. Researchers have been exploring this idea, and they even wrote a fascinating paper about it. You should definitely check it out. And guess what? Meta, the company formerly known as Facebook, is also working on something similar. They just announced a project that does similar things. It looks like in the future, big language models like GPT-5 will become even more advanced. They'll be able to handle not just text, but also images, videos, audio, and more. It's super exciting. That's not all. Get ready to be amazed by Adobe, the company famous for Photoshop. They've unleashed a new AI tool called Firefly that has taken the industry by storm. With Firefly, you can work magic on your images in all sorts of mind-blowing ways. You can expand them, fix missing parts, and so much more, all powered by the incredible capabilities of AI. The possibilities with this tool are endless, and people are already achieving fantastic results with it. Now let's dive into the world of Microsoft. They have some major news to share. First, they've updated their search engine Bing with some fantastic new features. Now you can ask real-time questions and get up-to-date results right away. Bing even provides citations and links to relevant web pages, acting like your own personal assistant within the search results. But that's not all Bing can do. It's become a one-stop shop where you can create a shopping list and order groceries online with just a few simple clicks. Microsoft is truly revolutionizing the way we search and shop online. And here's the grand finale. Microsoft has introduced something called Windows Copilot. It's a groundbreaking addition that's set to transform the way we interact with our computers. Windows Copilot is like having a super smart companion by your side as you navigate your computer tasks. It's designed to assist you in a seamless and intuitive manner, making your computing experience smoother than ever before. With Windows Copilot, you'll feel like you have your own personal expert guiding you through every step, ensuring you get things done efficiently and effortlessly. These are just a few of the incredible advancements happening right now in the world of technology, from turning sketches into 3D worlds to AI-powered virtual girlfriends to mind-boggling tools for image manipulation and groundbreaking innovations from companies like Meta, Adobe, and Microsoft. It's an exhilarating time to be alive. Imagine having a super smart assistant for your computer, just like Bing, but even better. You can ask it questions, run programs, and easily navigate through your computer without any trouble. It's like having a tech-savvy friend by your side, always ready to help. This incredible tool by Microsoft is designed to make your life easier and more exciting, especially if you're not very good with technology. It's like magic at your fingertips. But that's not all. Microsoft has amazed everyone with their latest innovations, surpassing even Google's latest event. They are now focusing on the future of video technology. According to an expert named Altman, video is the key to achieving advanced artificial intelligence. Microsoft is exploring the power of video to enhance its models and bring us closer to this exciting goal. It's like they're unlocking the secret to creating even smarter computers. Speaking of video, there's an interesting debate about whether language alone can lead to true artificial intelligence or if we need video as well. Some people believe that video is a more effective way to learn certain things compared to text. While I think language is powerful, adding video to these models would speed up the process and make it easier to achieve true AI. It's like turbocharging our computers with visual information. Now let's dive into the world of design. Adobe, the company behind Photoshop, has developed an amazing new feature. It can transform text into 3D models as if by magic. This advancement has caught the attention of many and is giving tough competition to another company called Midjourney. You can now manipulate images like they're actual 3D objects without relying on Photoshop. It's a fresh and efficient way to edit images, making design work even more exciting. Are you ready for some robot talk? Figure, a company with a hopping $70 million investment, is working on creating humanoid robots. They've gathered talented individuals from top companies like Boston Dynamics, Apple, and Tesla to bring this vision to life. OPENAI, another well-known company, is expected to unveil one of the first humanoid robots this summer. Can you imagine how advanced these robots will be and what incredible things they'll be able to do? It's mind-boggling. And hold on to your seat for this one. GPT-4, a super intelligent language model, has made a huge leap in its reasoning abilities. In fact, it's gotten 900% better. A research paper explains this breakthrough in detail, and you can even watch a video about it. It's a major step forward in making computers think and reason more like humans. The future is looking bright. With all these amazing developments, it's hard not to be thrilled about what's coming next. We're in for some incredible surprises, and I can't wait to see what's waiting for us just around the corner.